Hey, let's go out and enjoy nature. Go out and respect Mother Earth, enjoy Mother Earth, and let's go hiking and enjoy the outdoors, or just go on a park or a play date, or just get some fresh air, right? Oh, thank God. But with that comes those pesky deer ticks and mosquitoes. So back in 2015, backstory, we live in the Pocono Mountains. We're like 900 feet up on a mountain. There's deer all around us. They're protected. They're like generations of generations. They come right up to you. They have no shame in their game. And I love them. They're adorable. But them damn little critters, you know, they got those little ticks on them. And as a mom, and being very eco-conscious and less toxic-free family, I began researching with my little booklets and Google and essential oil classes and just life in general. In 2015, I made an essential oil-based cream that was great against deer ticks. I then evolved into sprays. So I make a tick repellent and mosquito repellent spray with witch hazel, water, and pure essential oils. I add 4 essential oils that are known, well documented, studied, and deer ticks do not like them. It also keeps mosquitoes away. So I make it in a handy 4 ounce. This is really nice and thin. You could stick it in your pocket on a hike, or I make an 8 ounce if you need a bigger one. I have many customers who love it for their dogs. I have customers who use it for their children that have eczema, because it's very safe and soft on their skin. It's DEET free, so there's no extreme, harsh, toxic, hazardous chemicals in it. And it's pretty awesome, and it smells great. So I like to spray it around our ankles, back of our knees, folds of our arms. Well, those are called armpits. Back of our head, underneath our hair. We do a whole body circumference underneath the clothes, because then if we have to change the clothes, then we don't have to spray again. But we spray at least once or twice a day because we're outdoors all the time. And deer ticks do not die in the winter, by the way. Check my other TikTok video. They're hibernating, so they are out and about. And once it starts hitting above freezing, they're going to be out. They may be out already now in the 40-degree temperature. So get yourself my Tick Be Gone tick and mosquito repellent spray and go out and enjoy and respect nature.